was feeling so bad. That's great.
No one is laughing now. This show is not paid for by the Westminster Council. It's fully paid for by the audience members. This is my job. This is what I do for a living. It's how I pay for my rent, my food, everything. Now, folks, if you thought this was a good show, you would pay £20 to see this in London inside. I think it's worth every pence involved in that, if you can afford it. And thank you so much in advance. Those donations really keep the show going. All you can afford is the cost of a pint. I'd say this is something you're not going to get at any pub in London. I think it's at least as cool as a beer. So folks, at the end, I'll put the fire out. I'll ask you guys to come forward in Grand Street performing tradition. Please don't just stand there and stare at me. I'm not going to come to you, so at the end, you can come past the rope. Just wait until the end, please. Okay, so here we go. Final trick of the show. Doesn't end with me yammering about money. It actually, oh God, it ends with a bunch of people clapping together and creating something original and distinct and amazing. Louder! Oh God. Oh God. Ladies and gentlemen, that is my show. Thank you so much. My name is Bob the Amazing. The fire is out. Knives are away. It is now safe to come forward. I've got my hat right here. Everything you put in the hat, totally tax-free and good karma. And the right thing to do. So you can come forward now. Don't run off. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Where are you?
Because they worked out something that most of you can't even work out, even though it's really obvious. They worked out that if they don't have children, they can spend all their money however they want to. They worked out that they don't have to change any dirty I don't really know why. Fair enough, but in general, that's what they do. They have to change someone's napping.
Make your own advice.
The answer is probably, there's no in that. like the extreme challenge. It's so extreme.
Good work, you made it just on time. The show has not even started yet. We've been waiting for you. Glad you made it. You want to get a jump on it? I can tell you right now, the fronts are always the rope. Don't know what that means? I'll make it clear in a few moments. But first, some warm-up tricks. Woo! Oh, yes. Warm-up tricks involve 3 hats, not just 2.